storage permission not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can solve if the storage permission is not showing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to solve if the storage permission is actually not showing, first of all what you have to do from here is open up settings. First of all, decide the app on which you would like to allow the storage permission, and then after that you have to simply go to the option called apps on your Android and then select the app on which you want to allow the storage permission. So let's select Messenger, for example. One thing you have to understand is that if you're not being able to see the storage permission, because that permission does not come in the name of storage permission. Normally when you open the app, it might ask you for a pop-up to allow the permission. In that case, you can allow the permission from there. Otherwise, to do it manually, you have to open the app info page of Messenger. Here you can find the option called permissions. So go to permissions, and then here photos and videos, you can see they come from your storage, right? So you have to allow that permission. The other access it requires is, let's say it has music and audio, they also come from your storage. So that is also the storage that you want to allow. Other than that, what you can try to do is just tap the three dots option from the permissions tab here and then go to all permissions, and here you should be able to see all the other sorts of permission that it requires, which you can use to allow the storage permission. This way you should be able to solve storage permission not showing. Bottom line is that storage permission does not come in the name of storage permission but in other forms. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.